What is actus reus? Have you ever wondered what makes an action a crime? In criminal law, a key concept to understand is actus reus, which translates to guilty act in Latin. This term refers to the physical act or failure to act that constitutes the essence of a crime. It is essential for establishing criminal liability in most legal systems. Actus reus is not just about having bad thoughts or intentions. It requires a tangible action or a legally significant omission. For example, if someone intends to commit a crime but does nothing, that does not meet the criteria for actus reus. The law demands a physical action or a failure to act when there is a legal duty to do so. To qualify as actus reus, the action must be voluntary and intentional. If someone acts while unconscious or under duress, that would not count as actus reus. The law recognizes that involuntary actions do not hold the same weight as those performed with intent. Now let's talk about omissions. Sometimes, failing to act can also fulfill the actus reus requirement. For instance, if a parent neglects to provide necessary food for their child, that omission can be seen as a crime. This shows how actus reus can encompass both actions and inactions, depending on the legal obligations involved. In law school, grasping the concept of actus reus is vital for analyzing criminal cases. Students learn to differentiate between negligent actions and those that are criminal. For example, if someone accidentally causes harm, the focus shifts to whether their actions were voluntary and whether they led to a criminal outcome. Understanding actus reus is crucial for law students, especially those focusing on criminal law. They must identify whether a defendant's actions or omissions constitute actus reus, as this is a necessary element for proving a crime. Additionally, students compare actus reus with mens rea, which refers to the mental state or intent behind a crime. Both elements are typically needed for a conviction. Actus reus also plays a significant role in developing legal reasoning skills. Law students evaluate the legality and voluntariness of actions or omissions in various scenarios. This analysis helps them understand the structure of criminal offenses, which is essential for effective legal practice. In summary, actus reus is a foundational concept in criminal law that highlights the importance of physical actions or omissions in establishing criminal liability. It serves as a critical tool for law students to analyze and understand criminal offenses, preparing them for their future careers in law.